Hello all ka-Simply Blessed people! How are you today? I hope all are well. I am your Ate Ann and welcome to my channel. Thank you as always for your love and support. Today, I want to share to you one of the activity during Riyadh season just nearby our dorm in King Abdulaziz Park. Through this channel, I am asking you all to please don't skip the ads. You can also send me some blessing through super thanks and be a member so that we can use to help others. Thank you so much always. This happened after we walked from Batha. I treat Ate Benny because she helped me with my luggages. Before we will start, I want to thank you all for helping me grow my channel, and if you are new here in my community, please consider to support by clicking the like button, subscribe, and also the bell to be notified whenever I will upload new videos. Thank you! Riyadh Season 2024 near Saudi Museum and Al Watan Park near our dorm. Madilim, pangit. Okay na? Yeah. This year, 2025, they are starting to build again. Oh, we are excited to witness. Night walking. Bible verses about faith to live by. Mark chapter 11 verse 24. Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. Another, Matthew chapter 19 verse 26. With God all things are possible. To add another, 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 7. For we walk by faith and not by sight. A simple reminder, faith in God changes everything. And to trust God in the light is nothing, but trust Him in the dark, that is faith. I've been there. Faith is not believing that God can, it's knowing that God will. With all these faith reminders, it is really a must to have faith in God. Thank you all for watching. God bless and I love you all. Until next vlog. See you!